Hey guys! What's up, what's up? So, Swirlbits here again guys, and welcome po sa another tutorial na naman ng ating on how to submit your tax information here in Google Adsense guys. So, bago po ako mag-start guys, bago po kayo dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button guys and hit that notification bell icon para naman po ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod pang mga video na ating i-upload. So, eto guys is bago po ito kay Google Adsense. So, lang yung pagsasabit ng ating tax information and napakabilis din po ng approval guys. So, nag-send lang ako kanina, then after 30 minutes, I got that email from Google Adsense na yung application ko guys about sa tax information is already approved guys. So, let's go guys! Wag na natin patagalin! Alright guys, so let's jump up into our Google Adsense. So from here in our window, so let's go to payment section. So click it. And let's wait for a while guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, so once another Windows is pop up, go on your manage setting on your lower right. Okay, click the manage settings and scroll down here, United States tax info. Just click this. It's under this payment profile. So click this and then manage tax info. Okay, so from here it says manage tax info, update your tax information, your payments profile and country, determine how your taxes are collected, withheld and reported. So here just click add tax info, then another windows will pop up. Okay, so from here this window will pop up and it will ask you your password to confirm, just for the security purpose. Okay, just check okay. And then here it's going to ask you United States tax info. So what type of account? So since I'm individual, I'll check the individual account. So it's up to you guys, whatever is applicable for you. And then after that, click next. And then there's another question. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? So no, since I'm here in the Philippines and I'm not a resident, either a citizen. Then after that, click next again. Okay, so here another selection will pop up. So select W-8 tax form type, and based on your previously selected answers, a W-8 form is needed. So this one is only based on the first and the second questions that we answered. So I'll check this W-8 band. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. And after that, just click Start W-8 band form.
A few moments later.
Okay, and here we are in this W-8 band tax form, and automatically my name is here. And then let's put our country of citizenship. Of course, we are in the Philippines. I'm from Philippines and I'm living here. I'll check Philippines. Here it will ask you for the foreign TIN. For the foreign TIN, optional. This is optional unless you are claiming a tax treaty. And based on my research, Philippines and United States, we are on a tax treaty with the United States, I guess. And please correct me if I'm wrong guys, but here I'm going to put my tax number. Okay, and then after that, click next. I'm sorry. So this one, there's an error. So make it sure guys na yung ilalagay yung name dito is parehong format type na nakalagay doon sa ating PIN card or tax information, tax identification number. Okay, so here it is. Click next ulit. I guess the comma should not be there. Okay, so remember guys, hindi tinatanggap yung comma sa ating names. So here it is, andito na. Okay, permanent residence address. Okay, Philippines, and make it sure yung ilalagay nyo is same din po dun sa address na nilagay nyo dun sa inyong Google Adsense. Okay, fill it up. And mailing address, check ko rin to since I have the same permanent address sa mailing address ko. Okay, after that, click next. So next step guys, so the tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So I'm going to click yes. Since over here based on my research, United States Income Tax Treaty, so we are one of these countries, so we are included on the tax treaties of the US. So here is the Philippines. Okay, Philippines, so we are included. So I'll go ahead and click yes. And then here asking resident of country claiming treaty, click that box and choose Philippines. And scroll down here, special rates and conditions. So I'm going to check these three, the services, motion pictures, and the other country, other copyright. So I check those three. And then here, article and paragraph, so whatever is available, so check it. And then withholding rate, I check the 0 rate. Okay, then check the box here as a tax resident of the country. Next, for the motion, so here I choose the article 13 and reduce 15% rate and other copyright, so whatever is available, article 13, and then reduce for 15% rate. And then after that, check the box again, reason for me meets the terms and condition, and then click next.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we're here now sa W8 Ben tax form. So everything is here. So all you have to do is to review and check everything. Okay? And on here, on your right side, itong may maliit, makikita nyo. So andyan yung form na pinilapan natin. And then, i-click nyo lang to, I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. Then, just click next. And as you click next, here, ayan pa rin po. So, the certification. Number 5 is the certification. So, basahin nyo na lang lahat ng yung mga, kung ano yung mga nakasulat nito. So, after that, nakalagay here your full legal name. So, lagay natin. Okay. And then, are you the person listed in the signature section? So, whatever applicable for you. For me, yes, I am the person listed in the signature section and completing this form on my own behalf. Then, after that, click next. And another questions are asking here, activities and services performed in the U.S. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US? So my answer is no. And then click the box to certify. Status and change affidavit. So are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payment profile that has previously received payments. So, since di pa po ako sumasahod, so I'm going to check this first. I am providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payments. So after that, click submit. Yan guys, status is yan, makikita nyo. So after everything guys, so manage tax info. So andito na lahat ng infos natin. Form AW, status submitted, and date submitted. And then it says here tax foreign withholding rates. So yung motion picture claimed siya, other copyright claim, Form 8 claim, and then here on the right side my address. And next it's asking to submit new form if you need to submit. So everything guys, that's how it is, as easy as that. So thank you for watching this tutorial guys. So hopefully nakatulong po itong simpleng tutorial na to. So if may questions kayo or clarifications, just put your questions in the comment section guys. And if bago po kayo dito sa aking channel, please don't forget that subscribe button and hit that notification bell guys, para po ma-update kayo sa mga bagong videos na aking i-upload. That's all guys, and thank you so much. Bye!